Hi everyone, my name is Bogdan and welcome to Acura Addicted channel, helping you to navigate in the world of automotive repairs, maintenance and reviews. Today I'm reviewing a 4-channel dash cam that was sent to me by a company named TiESFONG. I'm not paid for this video, so this is a fair opinion that I share. Brand model is M8S. Let's do a little unboxing and see what's inside. A nice solid box. Looks like they put a 128GB micro SD in here. Here's a user manual. A suction cup. A 12-volt adapter with a long USB-C cable. This is a rear cam. As you can see, it's a separate unit that you don't have to connect if you don't want to. Hold on, what's this? A free gift? It's a bag that contains a lot of goodies. Extra double-sided tape mounts, polarized filter for the lens, extra USB-C cable, some straps and cable management clips, a micro USB reader, a set of transparent plastic stripes for easy mount installation, and a plastic trim tool. I've clarified with the company and this gift is going to be present in every package they send out. Here's the main camera itself. Looks very solid, big main lens. The DVR has a USB-C power, micro SD slot, and a port for the rear camera. Side cameras turning to any direction. Now let's install it. First, I'll clean the spot I want to attach it to. Now I'll attach the clear strip for easier installation and detachment later. Let's get rid of those air pocket bubbles. I'll connect the power first and attach the double-sided tape mount to the clear plastic strip now. It's a good idea to power it up before installation. This allows you to level the camera properly, even though you can adjust it vertically and horizontally later. Now I can switch the view on the screen to individual cameras for easier adjustment. Or I can switch to all 3 cameras view. Great, looks like the device starts to record automatically, as it should when it gets power from 12 volts. Let's get that cable out of the way. I'll hide it behind the trim later. Let's connect the rear camera now. Great, it's recognized immediately. Installing it to the rear window. I already have a plastic strip in place there for the current dash cam I use, so it's a simple matter of attaching a new camera. There we go. Okay, time to take it out for a spin. My video is in 1440p. The camera records in 1080p. I didn't want to adjust the scale and left the camera footage in 1:1 scale. As soon as the car is out of the underground garage, it acquires the GPS signal and sets up the time properly, as well as embeds it into the frame along with the current coordinates. It also records with sound, but I left it out for privacy reasons. This is the recording without the polarized filter. You can see the dashboard reflection in the camera. Let's see how legible is the license plate of a car that's in front. Looks good, although you have to be a little closer. I'd say it's about the same distance that I can read the plate with my own eyes. Let's check out the side cameras. I really love this feature. I positioned the cameras so they cover the entire front side windows plus some of the side windshield view. This is really handy. And you can rotate them to face the cabin if you need that. Obviously, because it's dark inside the vehicle, the quality is not going to be the same, although there is a night mode that you can switch on. Now let's check the rear camera. Well, it's there. The quality is definitely not as good as the front one, but it doesn't have the same lens, and probably a different sensor too, so... Okay, let's switch to indoor driving. Can it still allow you to read the license plates? Yes. Now let's check out the polarized filter. There we see the dashboard reflection. I'll rotate the filter now. It's gone. Almost completely. Let's look at it again. Also, pay attention to the car on the right. See what difference the polarized filter does for reflections. This is a great feature. My current dashcam does not have it. Alright, now let's get to some technical stuff. The main camera records in 1080p, 25 frames per second and 6.5 megabits per second bitrate in HEVC codec with mono 16 kHz, 34 kilobits AAC sound, which is a bit too high for a 1080p video as far as I'm concerned, but the more the better. Side cameras are the same specs except for the video bitrate, which is 4.2 megabits. Rear camera, same specs except the video bitrate is 5 megabits. Each camera has its own subfolder on the microSD card, A, B, C, and D, so it's really easy to organize. There's also a video player with GPS data and maps stored on the microSD card. Here's what it looks like after installing. Let's open a random video I recorded and see what data it shows. Okay, so it shows the location on the map, current speed, and direction. Nice! In the camera menu, you can change various settings, including changing the speed units, turn the infrared option on for the side cameras, and play back the recorded videos. I gotta say though, that what you've seen in the video is camera right out of the box, with no setting adjustments whatsoever, so it really is plug and play, user-friendly. If I was looking for cons, I'd say the only thing it's missing is the video recording setting, bitrate. But then again, it's not that important as it shows good results with default settings anyway. It would also be great if at least the main camera was 1440p, although it's not critical. Since YouTube recodes each video you upload, quality of what you see might be affected. So I'll leave a link to the original video files available for your review if you want. So what did I like? Polarized filter. Hands off the best feature I've been missing before. Solidly built, no cheap plastic, very neat. Very compact for a unit housing 3 cameras and a screen. Easy to install and use on default settings. Good camera menu, intuitive to navigate without the user manual. Detailed user manual if you need it. Plenty of useful extras in the box. Very affordable for a 4-channel camera. Comes with video player and GPS software. You can find links in the video description if you would like to purchase this product. That's it. Thank you for watching. And as always, drive safe, use your turn signals, and remember, anything is possible with the right tools and motivation. See you next time.